Good evening, friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Gurjant Als Patala. So here, wait is over. Everybody was waiting for the cue cards for Jan to April session 2022. So Makkar Earth list has been released, and these are the new cue cards that have been added. So first one is describe a skill you learned from an old person. Describe a person you follow on social media. Talk about something you got for free. Describe a thing you did to learn another language. Describe an interesting song. Talk about a special cake you had once. Describe an interesting conversation you had with your friend. Talk about a place in a village that you visited. Describe a long walk you enjoyed. And let me tell you, if you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel, you can subscribe it because very soon we are going to give you samples, high quality samples, but totally free of course. So subscribe if you haven't done yet. So let we move on next. Describe an item of clothing someone gave you. Describe a city that you think is very interesting. Talk about a rule that you dislike. Describe someone you like to spend time with. Describe a time you visited a new place. Talk about a dream house you would like to build. Talk about a person who contributes for society. Talk about a story someone told and you remember. Describe a gift you would like to buy for your friend. Describe a thing you cannot live without. Of course, it should not be a mobile or computer. So this was the list. These 19 are the newly added cue cards. However, total cue card number is around 75 or 80. So remaining cue cards are the old ones. So 20 around cue cards have newly been added, while 50 around are the from the old list, September to December one. So again, if you haven't subscribed, you can subscribe because very soon you'll be getting the samples for these all new cue cards. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.